Hello again, and welcome to Chef in My Kitchen episodes. Last few days we were doing some main dishes, healthy ones for footballers, if you remember, and for athletes and for everybody else. And today we're gonna carry on with the same theme, but rather than having the main dishes for dinner or lunch, we're making a few snacks for pre and after training. So what we're gonna start with today, very simple snack that can be done within 10 minutes. That's all it takes, just 10 minutes. Put it in the freezer or in the fridge, and every now and then just take whatever you like out of it. So what we do is we've got granola. I would say about 100 grams of granolas if you want to make about, I don't know, 20-25 balls of it. So granola, and we process it. Now when we process it, we don't want it to be powder. We want it to be like a grains, like couscous, if you know what I mean. And we put it on. A few more. That's it. And we put it on this ball aside. A couple of 100 grams of dates, pitted obviously. The same amount of dried apricots. We don't want to make a paste out of it, but just little chunks of the fruits. And that's it. And this is how it should be. Just small little pieces of the fruit. And then we add this to the granola that we did before. We've got some coconuts, ground coconuts, that we can add to it. 2 tablespoons. Flax seeds, a good tablespoon or so flax seeds. Pumpkin seeds here and mixed together, and some sunflower seeds. To combine it all together, we are using coconut oil. I would say about 7-8 tablespoons or so. And let's give it a good mix together. And we start boiling them now. You don't want a big one. I would say this size. And you do the same with all of them. We cannot just eat them straight away. They need to be refrigerated, or better still is put them in the freezer for about an hour or so, and then put them in the fridge in a tight container, and just use it as you need to. Don't overdo it. I would say a couple of them a day, 2 to 3 a day, no more, is quite sufficient for these. Okay, and then you have it, it has been in the freezer for about an hour, and then another hour or so in the fridge, and they are quite firm and ready to go. I'll be playing for Man City next year. Done.